Hi, I'm Joe from Dealer Teamwork, bringing you another how-to video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Mpop Email Campaign Builder. The Email Campaign Builder is included at no extra cost for Dealer Teamwork customers, and it's designed to help you engage and follow up with your leads with highly relevant messaging. It also saves you time by allowing you to build email campaigns that include your fully optimized vehicle and service Mpop offers. Because campaigns are Mpop offer driven, CTAs direct shoppers to dynamic landing pages with UTM tracking links built in to help you better measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Let's look at how to use the tool. So in order to use the Mpop Email Campaign Builder, you'll have to be logged into your Mpop account. Once you're logged in, you'll go over to the Mpop menu, go down in the drop down to where it says Export as Email/CRM Campaign, and then click on that. Now you're in the Mpop Email Campaign Builder. From here, you can build a vehicle or service campaign by toggling to the campaign type in the top right corner of your screen. For this example, I'm going to pull in two vehicle offers. So first, make sure you select New and Use Ads, and it's selected. And you'll go over to where it says Choose Ads. You'll click on that, and then it'll bring up your ads. And I'm going to select these two ads, and you can see that it adds these two ads here above the Choose Ads button, and then you can see that it added the ad over here as well. If you want to customize your campaign before you bring it into your CRM or email distribution tool, make sure you check the options in the settings menu. To reach the settings menu, first click out of the Choose Ads menu, go over to where it says Settings, and then you can see your options on this side. You can change how the disclaimer is shown, or you can choose from a 1 or 2 column layout. Once you're happy with your campaign build, you can choose the copy code button, which is right here, and then you can navigate to your CRM or email distribution platform. So I'm going to copy the code, and then I'm going to navigate to my email template, and then I'm going to paste the code right here, and then you can see that that data or that information populates over here in the email itself. Now, it's important to keep in mind that the exact process for building a campaign in your CRM or email distribution tool will vary by provider, but the general process will be to 1, start the build of a new email and then set up the template, and then 2, you'll copy and paste the Mpop email campaign code into that template. 3, you'll choose your audience and subject line of the email, and then 4, you'll send the email. And that's it. If you want to learn more about the Mpop Email Campaign Builder, you can visit our website, or you can visit our blog for a step-by-step guide on how to use the email tool. And I'll put a link to that in the video description. Now it's your turn. Did you find this video helpful? Is there a topic you want us to cover in a future video? Let us know by leaving a comment in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching.